Some chilling details are coming in. Some breaking news from Uttarkashi. Ongi Road toward Bhatwari village is on the verge of collapse at the moment. Around 150 meters of road has been washed away near Bhatwari, cutting off access for people. Rescue teams of the ITBP and ambulances are stranded with contact likely to be lost at any moment. Disaster struck the Himalayan village of Dharali and Sukhi in Uttarakhand. Devastating cloudburst has led to flash floods and landslides, sweeping away homes, hotels and lives. Large-scale rescue operations are currently underway on a war footing. The State Emergency Operations Center has requested the Indian Air Force to deploy 2 Mi helicopters and 1 Chinook helicopter. 2 helicopters of UCADA are also ready for rescue operations. At Khergad, near Dharali, Colonel Harshvardhan of the Indian Army is personally leading 150 Indian Army personnel in critical rescue efforts, even as their own unit remains cut off and around 10 soldiers are feared missing. Amid torrential rain and crumbling infrastructure, the Army has already rescued 20 civilians, demonstrating extraordinary courage and resilience under extreme conditions.
अरे भाग गया ए मेरी माँ झूले मेरी माँ झूलो
These are the visuals coming in from Uttarkashi, showing you the intensity of this incident. That massive cloudburst has triggered landslides in Uttarkashi. So far, we've been given to understand that 4 people unfortunately have lost their life. Over 130 people have been rescued so far. The operations are still going on to save people. Meanwhile, in a first of its kind move, the National Disaster Response Force is deploying cadaver dogs to the Uttarkashi cloudburst site. Is also something that we've picked up from our sources as far as the rescue operations are concerned. Mudslide has also been reported. These are the visuals coming in from Dharali of Uttarakhand. This area particularly is nearby Gangotri Dham. These are the visuals now coming in on your screens from Harshil. It also falls in Uttarkashi district. Flash floods have swallowed homes, hotels in Dharali, Harshil. Entire village has been washed away. You can see the condition through the visuals currently being played on your screen. At least 4 people have died, many are feared missing after a devastating flash flood triggered by a cloudburst in the upper catchment area of the Kir Ganga River caused large-scale destruction in Dharali village in Uttarkashi yesterday. Through the visuals currently being played on your screen, you can currently sense the intensity of the incident, how massive that cloudburst was and how dangerous and scary the flash floods were. No warning, just the destruction for people living in Uttarkashi. Tragically and unfortunately killing 4 people. Video shows a car being washed away. Severe damage has been caused to the vehicles which were parked in the area when flash floods hit it. Uttarkashi District Magistrate Prashant Arya had confirmed the deaths of 4 people in the flash flood that struck Dharali village. He said that a massive wave of flash flood has hit the area. We are currently assessing the extent of the damage to life and property. The rescue operations are still underway. Multiple teams have been deployed for emergency purposes.
आदमी पूरा भरा हुआ है, आदमी है इसमें, आदमी है,
NDRF, SDRF teams on ground.
आदमी पूरा देखो, आदमी है उसमें।
Remember, Union Home Minister Amit Shah also spoke with Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami regarding the extensive damage that has been caused by the cloudburst in the Dharali region of Uttarkashi, and also to take cognizance of the situation. On the right side of your screen, you are looking at State's Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami holding the key meeting with the officials, taking cognizance of the situation, speaking about the incident, the kind of damage that has been caused because of it, how many lives have been lost, what can be done for the rescue of those who are still stuck. So far, like I said before, at least 4 deaths have been reported, while 130 have been rescued, with many fear trapped when flash floods tore through Dharali, sweeping away homes, vehicles, and also trees. The SDRF team is also on the ground. 3 teams are already at the site, and more, including paramedics and advanced rescue squads, are set to join soon. Up to 85 personnel are expected to be operating on site by early morning. These are the visuals coming in from Harshal Army Camp. Severe damage has been caused to the area. Camp completely destructed. Union Home Minister has directed the Indo-Tibetan Border Police, or the ITBP, and National Disaster Response Force, or NDRF, to rush teams to the location for relief and rescue efforts.
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram.
Dramatic visuals capture the sheer fury of the floodwaters as it tore through the town of Harshal, sweeping away homes, shops and roads, leaving behind a trail of debris and mud. The condition, in fact, still looks like this. Now on the right side of your screen, you're looking at the army personnel currently trying to rescue people who are still stuck. The efforts are currently underway to protect as many people as they can. Unfortunately, 4 lives have been lost. You can see this particular visual coming in from Dharali village of Uttarakhand. A man is trying to make his way through the debris, the mud that has been accumulated over there post the flash flood, trying to save his life. Severe damage has been caused not only to the human life but also to the livestock in the area. Preliminary information also suggests that some of the hotels and homestays have been completely destroyed because of the flood. In fact, the IMD has also warned of continued heavy rainfall across Uttarakhand until 10th of August, especially in the hilly regions where intense downpour are expected. Rescue teams have been rushed from Harsil and Bhatwari, and efforts are on to locate and evacuate those possibly still trapped. Rescue team ambulances got stranded in Bhatwari is the latest news that we have picked up from our sources. As the flash floods and landslides devastated Tarkashi, we've been given to understand that villages Darali and Sukhi have been swept away. Parts of it have been buried. Roads between Ongi and Bhatwari nears the collapse. 150 meters of road has been washed away near Bhatwari. The rescue teams and the ambulances got stranded because of it.
फिर कितने बड़े बड़े देखो तो यार
If you can hear the audio coming in through the visuals currently being played on your screens, you can completely get the sense of the panic amongst the residents. Now, in the view of the ongoing crisis, the state government has ordered all schools and Anganwadi centers shut across Almora, Pitoragarh, Chamoli and Rudraprayag. And on the Haridwar-Dehradun rail route, a boulder blocked tracks near Motichur, but thanks to protective structures by Northern Railways, no casualties occurred there. Restoration work is now underway on that track. A region battered by rain, a rescue effort racing against time, and the resilience of India's forces once again on full display.